My name is Luv Aggarwal. I'm a data platform specialist for IBM Data and AI. And today I have with me Mr. Michael Boodee, our Netezza performance server technical expert. Michael, thank you for joining.
Thanks for having me.
Great. So we've got a couple questions about NPS for you. So I'll go ahead and get started. First of all, what is NPS?
So NPS, or Netezza Performance Server, is IBM's latest Netezza offering, which is optimized for high-performance analytics and is offered both now on-prem and on the cloud. I like to think of it as analytics in a box. It is a pre-packaged offering of both software and hardware with compute, memory, and networking all in one place. This gives a client a simple plug-and-play attitude with their analytical needs with IBM's most powerful analytics engine. NPS can provide some instant value to a client because it's 100% compatible with previous Netezza engines, as well as it being scalable, elastic, highly available also due to its fact that it's built off Red Hat OpenShift containers.
Okay, so it sounds like it's really an all-in-one solution, hardware, software, everything a customer needs to get up and running with analytical workloads.
Exactly.
Right, okay. So my next question is, who is NPS for? What kind of customers need it?
Great. So NPS can really be for any customers, but we see two major customers that benefit the most from it. So NPS is basically really powerful for any client who is looking to upgrade their current Netezza engines to one that is optimized to handle that next level of heavy analytical workloads. Also, NPS is really good for a new client or customer that's looking to kind of get more into that analytical mindset for their IT, and is wanting to have all the compute, memory, network all prepackaged as one.
Okay, so that leads me into my next question. For those customers who do have traditional Netezza, what does the migration process look like to this newer NPS solution?
Well, that's a great question. And as I said before, because it's the same Netezza engine at its core, it's 100% compatible. This means minimal to no recoding necessary at all. All you need to do to migrate is either do a NZ backup and restore, or just an NZ migrate from your previous Netezza appliance.
Okay, great. So it's a smooth, painless process to migrate for existing customers.
Exactly.
Right, okay. So customers have also been hearing a lot about Cloud Pak for Data being this data platform. How does NPS integrate with CPD?
So NPS is actually already preloaded with Cloud Pak for Data within it. So it means it's very deeply integrated, which allows you to get all the capabilities and function from having IBM's leading analytical end-to-end platform already integrated with any of the client's Netezza workloads that they may need to query.
Got it. Okay. So a lot of customers today are, of course, running in a hybrid cloud environment where they have multiple public cloud providers, they have investments on premise. How does NPS work in a hybrid cloud environment?
So NPS is built with cloud in mind, with containerized, optimized workloads, and its ability to query both on-prem and on the cloud data repositories. This makes it really easy for it to live in any type of hybrid cloud world that a client may have.
Right. So you're saying that if customers have data sources out in Azure or AWS or in their data centers, NPS can easily connect to those.
Exactly, both in the cloud and on-prem.
Okay. So going off of that, once customers have started down the path of NPS, how expandable or customizable is it?
So NPS is like a Lego block for a client's IT environment. Not only is it elastic and able to be scaled to handle any workloads necessary, but it's also very customizable with a mix of add-ons and services that IBM offers. So this could be anything from one, as we talked about, Cloud Pak for Data already be integrated with it, as well as any type of AI add-ons that we may have.
Got it. Okay. And then from a hardware perspective, do those customers just add on additional expansion units, or how does that work?
Exactly. All you would take is purchase an expansion rack and install into the current NPS configuration.
Okay, great. And then, so you just mentioned add-on services. Is there anything in there tailored to AI workloads, or how does NPS handle AI workloads?
Great question. So NPS is actually optimized to handle these types of workloads because it has in-place machine learning combined with its brand new FPGA chips, which are built for high-speed data accelerating. On top of that, as we talked about, it comes pre-integrated with Cloud Pak for Data and the ability to add those IBM AI services add-ons, such as Watson Studio, SPSS, and OpenScale.
Right, right. So NPS customers get the full benefit of all of the IBM AI solutions that we have to offer.
Exactly.
Great. So, Michael, my last question for you is one that we actually get a lot. Is traditional Netezza going away?
So this is a great question, and I would say it's actually the opposite, and this can be seen by IBM's continued investment into the Netezza technology. NPS is simply the most analytics optimized Netezza offering yet. It's about 3 times faster than the current full rack Mako, and you get all the pre-built data science add-ons with an integration to Cloud Pak for Data. So I think we're actually definitely not moving away from Netezza. We're just gonna keep its core functionality and technology and just keep adding on top of it.
Right. So, sounds like IBM is continuing its investment in the Netezza platform.
Yeah, I would say so.
Great. Great. Well, thank you, Michael. Thank you for answering all of our questions. Just lastly, where can customers learn more about NPS?
So there's plenty of resources online, such as ibmdemos.com, where you can find a couple of videos overviewing the entire solution, as well as a little bit more deep dive, technical deep dive videos, as well as reach out to any IBM analytical rep.
Great. Well, thank you, Michael. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for answering our questions. And thank you, everybody, for tuning in to watch.